Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, let's talk about today how to speak in English. If you really want to speak in English, so you just have to practice. You just have to practice a way which can make you to speak in English better. So, today we're going to tell you about that how you can be a good English speaker in just 30 days. So in my YouTube channel, before starting a video for today, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. So let's talk about what you need to do if you really want to speak in English. First thing, you should start practicing English. You speak in front of the mirror and try to speak in English at least for 30 minutes. Try to speak in English. Place a mobile or a camera and make your own video. Use the mic and just you can listen your words, your own words, and you can watch your own video, because this will really helpful for your English speaking journey. If you really want to speak English confidently and fluently, what is basically how the confidence come? Confidence will come when you will practice it regularly, when you will try to speak every day in front of the mirror. So that thing is really much important if you really want to speak in English. Second thing, the most important thing I would like to tell you that making your own video. You can start making your own video where you can also listen your audio and you can check your pronunciation also, because if you really want to speak English fluently, so the pronunciations really matter. If you will not pronounce the word in a proper manner, so you will not able to speak in English fluently. So if you really want to speak in English with the fluency, so your pronunciation should be better, and your pronunciation will become better only when you will practice regularly. When you will practice regularly, when you will try to speak in front of the mirror, if you do not have the topic, don't issue. And if you have the topic, so it is good that if you can speak on a specific topic for just 30 minutes, it will really impact in your pronunciation, your vocabulary, and your communication skills. Communication skills matters because if you really want to do a good job or you are searching for a good opportunity for you, so if you are good in communication skills, so you can make a new way for you. A you can make a good career for you. But if you go like for the overseas like Canada, Australia, if you want to go over there for study for overseas, so for that also English is really matter. If you are good in English, so you can easily qualify exam called IELTS. IELTS, everyone knows that English language test basically, and the TOEFL, which is basically a exam for Australia and Canada, as sorry, Australia and New Zealand. But nowadays what is happening, the most of the students are preferring the Canada because of the PR policies. The PR policies are very flexible in Canada. If you go over there for study for just 3 years program where you can get the work permit for the 2 years, and you can work over there for 2 years, and more than 2 years after that you can apply for the permanent residency, which is applicable for the 5 years, and which will really helpful for you if you really want to stay there or you want to stay for your whole life in the Canada. But if you really want to speak in English just for learning or you need a good job, so for that you should start practicing English. So if you have like you went with your family for outing or you went for travel with your friends, so you can try to speak your experience in front of the mirror. When you will try to speak in English, so one day you will be able to speak in English with anyone. That's all you want. What you want to become a good English speaker where you can speak in front of the mirror. Speaking in front of the mirror is really gonna be a good exercise for you in your learning English program. In this your learning English program, which is like for 30 days, how you can speak English in 30 days, so it is possible, and you can speak English in just 30 days, but you will have to practice because you want to learn. If you really want to learn English, so you can speak in English, but you will have to try to speak in English. If you got like you will get ashamed or you will get insulted, so that is the trick. If and the tips I would like to tell you, that try to speak in front of the mirror and try to make your own video. Try to make your own video and record your audio also. That will really impact in your English speaking skills, and you will going to be a good and confident in English speaker, and you will be able to speak in English with the fluency. But I would like to add on one more thing here, is reading. If you really want to speak a language, so you should also read the language. You can take any newspaper, any magazine, or the Kindle, or the audio book, video book, or the books on the Google Play Store. You have the Google Play Store, everyone have in the mobile, where you can read the books online by the help of the Google Play Store. And the Kindle, there are the Kindle is also there, where you can read the so many books. And you have the newspaper and you have the magazine, or you have the bestsellers like the Harry Potter or the Chetan Bhagat. There are the so many bestsellers in India, so you can buy any ones of the book. Recently, I also read a book which is called a monk, which is about the monk. The monk sold his Ferrari. So that was the topic of the book. So I would like to tell you, you can read anything, but matter says you should read. When you will read, you will learn the words, you will get the vocabulary, and vocabulary will improve your communication skills, because you can add on the new advanced words in your English speaking. While speaking English, it will also give the good impression in front of the others if you know the advanced words. So words will make a difference, and it will also impress others, and you will be able to give a good impression in front of the others if you know the advanced words. So try to do read every day. At least spend 1 hour for a day. Try to read. Spend some time with you, because if you really want to develop your personality, so you will have to develop yourself. You will have to work on yourself. You will have to try to speak in English. So you should first read in English. And whenever you get the new words, so just write down the new words and find out the meaning. So by that you can learn the new words, and you can add on these words in your vocabulary, and you can also use those words in your next speech or whenever you are speaking with someone. So try to speak with the people. This will also improve your confidence and fluency. I hope you will like the video for today. That's all for today. And if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. Thank you so much.